Hello guys, as always, thank you for support. This is a small preview what is coming in next version. I think it will be 0.91. So you've seen already this capacity and battery left. And today I would like to present something about TBS. So the thing is that we can switch VTX channels if the VTX is connected to FC. But if you have TBS equipment, you can also connect VTX directly to receiver. So in this case, let's go to configuration, TBS, of course, and it's beta flight. Yeah, so VTX host is TBS receiver, not FC, so it's directly. So to change channels, you usually need TBS agent light to change channels, right? Okay, let me power my small quad.
Telemetry recovered.
And it's on R1 now. So as you can see, it's here is TBS, so the VTX is called to connected to receiver, and it's currently our R1. Let's go to our favorites channels and let's try how it works. R3 once again, long, and we are on R3 and R5, and let's go over there. My mixer, long press. I've got a long press not to switch this accidentally, long press, all right? And R7 maybe, it's fourth on my list. Nope, I think I've coded R8 over there, okay, no problem. I'm sorry, R8, let's go to R8. Here we go. So maybe small features, small but maybe big, because if you have this equipment, you can now directly from ToolBox switch VTX channels. Thanks again, cheers. Maybe. This is important information. I would like to say that this required some changes in operating system because HTX couldn't pass those information to receiver. So this is already merged in nightly, 2.10 nightly, and 2.10 is in release candidate stage. So I think it will be, this will be together when the HTX 2.10 will be released. I will release new toolbox and it will work together. If someone wants to try, it is in nightly built in HTX now. All right, cheers.